get ready with me because my kid is watching TV, so I've got about 30 minutes to myself. And let's transform this from a -7 to a solid 3. Honestly, maybe even a 4. Yesterday, it was me and my husband's second wedding anniversary, which technically, this fall would have been our 3-year wedding anniversary, not 6, our 3-year anniversary, but, because originally we were supposed to get married on October 24th of 2020, but you guys can probably assume what happened. We had to move our wedding. So we moved our wedding to May 30th of 2021, and yeah. I do get a little bit sad sometimes because our original date, October 24th, that day was actually, like, sunny, and it was a nice day outside, which made me kind of sad, because on our wedding day, May 30th of 2021, there was a hurricane, and we got married literally on the ocean in Newport, Rhode Island, so, that was not fun nor fresh. Nonetheless, it was a great time, and it was pretty, but just, I don't know. My mother-in-law told me that rain means good luck, so I'm holding on to that. I know some people, like, take their anniversaries, like, super, super over the top, like, they'll, like, yes, honey. They'll go, like, you know, to, like, yes, honey. I love her input. Oh, you okay back there? I know a lot of couples will, like, on their anniversaries and stuff, will go out for, like, fancy dinners and stuff, but that's just never been Carl and I. On our anniversaries, like, usually, like, I feel like they always fall, like, during the week, whatever, even on weekends. We always stay in, and, like, I don't know, like, I remember, like, one anniversary, like, we stayed in, and we had, like, chips and queso, because, like, that's our love language, but, like, last night, for example, I made dinner, the baby had a pooplosion, so we tag teamed that together, you know, because I told him, he was thanking me, he's like, thanks for helping, and I was like, hon, we are a team, okay, so we changed a minor pooplosion, but we haven't had one of those in, like, 2 weeks, so it was all good. So we changed the pooplosion together, I made dinner, and then there's this couple on YouTube that's absolutely hilarious. So we watched a couple of their videos on YouTube, and then we put the baby down for nap, and then it was, like, time to go to bed. So, like, yeah, just, honestly, I would say that we just like spending some quality time together, even if that's literally just, like, watching some YouTube videos and, like, laughing a lot. Something that people also might find a little strange too is that, like, my husband didn't get me flowers or anything. But that's not because he didn't want to get me flowers. It's because I don't like flowers. I think that flowers, while they are pretty, I think that they're such a waste of money. Because, one, I can't keep them alive, but two, like, they end up, like, dying after a few days anyway. And I don't know, they kind of start to smell, and my husband knows, if you're gonna get me, like, flowers, get me an edible arrangement, you know what I mean, like, get me something that I can eat, so yeah, he didn't get me flowers. I can probably count on one hand how many times that man has gotten me flowers, and he's done it, and he's like, listen, I know, like, you don't, like, you tell me not to buy flowers, but, like, I saw these, and I'm like, okay, like, that's sweet, but, like, also, like, don't buy me flowers, like, get me cupcakes or something. Last night, my husband did come home with something for me, though. You guys ready for this? He went to Whole Foods because he had to do a return, like an Amazon return. While he was there, he picked up a bag of bagels. Because that man knows that a bag of bagels, yes, honey, a bag of bagels is more useful to me than a bouquet of flowers, okay? So after I do my makeup, I'm going to go downstairs, I'm going to toast myself up an everything bagel from Whole Foods, and it's probably going to be fire, because they've got a really good bakery there. I did actually post some wedding pictures over on my Instagram. If you're not already following me, same username is on here, CarissaStevens_. I just posted them up yesterday. So go and follow me on there if you're not already, because I post on there every day as well. Been doing something a little bit new with my eyes, so I put some of my bronzer on the lids, just on the lids, and then I, like, pack my highlighter on top of that, and I don't know, does it really do anything? I don't know. It makes me feel like I'm doing something, okay? It really does. So I just kind of pack it on, and then I'll bring the highlighter up to my brows. Something else too, I am vlogging today because I asked you guys, I was like, what do you guys, like, want to see? And everyone was like, let's see like a day in the life, like as a mom. So that's what I'm filming today. Already started filming. My camera is currently on the floor charging right now, so stay tuned for that as well. Okay, and while we are still content with watching Miss Rachel, I'm gonna quickly go and get dressed. That way I'm like somewhat put together for the day. Thanks for having your coffee with me. I was just about to say happy Tuesday. I'm all messed up with the holiday. Happy Wednesday? I think it's Wednesday. Let me check my calendar quick. Yes, happy Wednesday.